Hey guys, I'm Sebastian here, and today I will try to film a Pokemon unboxing. Hopefully I do not get disturbed. Here we go. I'm already here. So we'll be unboxing this thing. So let's see. Ow, my nail. That came out very easy. So we have this. Give me 1 second. And here. So here's what you see here. I'll deal with that later. Ooh, the big Morpeko. Ooh, the good card. Let's leave that for later. But let's unbox this at my desk. So 1 second. Here, we're here. Now let's unbox this. Hold on, give me a second. Can you see me? Hold on, I'll go get the string. Okay, so the camera might not be that steady, but that's okay. So here, see this pack? Let's open it. It's stuck. Hold on, I'm gonna do this the difficult way. Got it. I don't know if you're supposed to shuffle this or not, so I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I shuffled it and got a Burmy. It's cool. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Dusknoir. Energy. Morgrem. Okay. Cool. Anyone want to scan this? Please do. Sneasel, nothing interesting. Corphish, Magmar, and Spiritomb. Cool. We've got some pretty good cards so far. Let's leave them there. That would be more to add to this book. I'll have a bit more to add. I don't know if any of these are special, but I'm just putting what's special to me in here. Okay, let's keep going. After all, this isn't just gonna be a video. There's nothing. Let's open the Brilliant Stars package. Here, for anyone who wants to scan. That's the second one today. Wow. I didn't shuffle this. I don't know if I'm supposed to. Turtwig, Sneasel, Clink, Spiritomb. No specials yet. Axew. Ooh, a Minccino. Look at that. Ooh. Ah. Granbull. V-Stars. What is this? Some extra? Okay. Starivia. Monferno. And Gloria. It's good. Not the greatest. Ooh, the Mew, the one that I'm most excited about. But we'll keep that for last. Let's go with this one, the Fusion Strike. I just have a huge garbage pile there, but here. Here's this for anyone who wants to scan. I'm never gonna... Ooh, white card. Mankey, Clauncher, Growlithe, Stuffle, Sigilyph. Ooh, Skitty. Ooh, Latios. That's a good card. Flame Energy, Skater Spark, and Frostmoth. And Ninetales. Not bad. Now, finally, what I was most excited about. Let's open this. The Muse Fusion Strike or whatever. I don't know what to call it. Please tell me. I absolutely destroyed that package. Here's the card again for anyone who wants to scan. That'll go here with the others. Okay. I did not shuffle this under the previous deck. I forgot to mention. But I got a Skitty, Lynx, Choodle, Vullaby, Jupiter. Ooh, Melmetal. Ooh. I'm just really fascinated by Pokemon cards. Sydney, Persian, and Power Tablet. What does that do? Also a Galarian Darmanitan. Now let's put them in my book. Oh, there's another one? How do you open this? Okay, you know the Morpeko, like the one that was split in half earlier? Yeah, that's it. But, here's another one of these if someone wants it. Okay. Now, let's go do this. And I'm gonna go put these into my book and see ya. Goodbye, guys.